Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving season. Today we're talking spatchcocked turkey using our new single-use brine kit. It's got our signature brine, our new turkey thyme seasoning, and the gusseted bag that you get to brine everything in. So all you gotta do is add turkey and water. It's a good one. All right guys, this turkey has brined for 24 hours, been in the fridge drying for 24 hours. Now it's time to get it out. We're actually gonna spatchcock this turkey. So we'll walk you through that process. And then once we spatchcock it, we're gonna get some compound butter underneath the skin and get it on the smoker. All right, so essentially the idea behind spatchcocking is we're gonna remove the backbone and we're gonna flatten out that turkey still skin side up so that it can cook a little bit more evenly. All right, so here's what we've got. You got your backbone right here. All you need is a pair of just kitchen shears. And then you're just gonna go down one side. All right, and then back down. All right, so we've bent on the one side of the backbone. Now we're actually gonna cut the other side. It is a little bit of work to get this out, but the process is fantastic once you do. All right. All right, now once we've got the backbone removed, you've got your breastplate right here. All we're gonna do is just snip it. Then now what we can do is pop it so it'll lay flat. And then we're gonna season the underside, flip it over, get that compound butter, and then season the top. All right, so what we're gonna do is quickly season the bottom, then we'll flip it over. All right. We're gonna tuck those wings so it sits nice and flat. Now we're gonna get some compound butter up underneath that skin. All right, all we're doing is running our hands between the skin and that breast meat just to free it up. Then we're gonna take some of our turkey thyme compound butter, put it underneath there. Massage that in. All right, so we've got our compound butter underneath the skin. We've got the bottom already seasoned. I'm gonna take a little more of that beef tallow, hit the top. We're gonna get this seasoned up. Basically, we got layers of flavors. First, you got that brine, which gives it an amazing flavor, adds that extra moisture to it. Then we've got that compound butter, that turkey thyme compound butter underneath that skin. And then our seasoning on top. All right, there she is. Look at this single-use package. It's perfect. All right, so we've got our spatchcocked turkey. It is finished. We actually pulled when it was about 162, 163 degrees. That carryover heat brought it up past the 165, and then we have let it rest for around 30 minutes just to let those juices redistribute. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take the wings, we're just gonna pop them off, separate the leg and the thigh, and then I'm gonna show you how we break down the breast, just our way of carving it. So here we go. All right, guys, so we got the spatchcock turkey broken down. We've got our breast. What we do is we just slice it up. Makes it easy for everyone to get a piece. Actually, it stretches and goes a lot longer so you can feed more of the family. We've got our thighs and our legs. If someone wants to get one of those, they can help break them down too. But really, most everyone's after this piece right here. So happy Thanksgiving. Wishing you guys a blessed one. Delicious.